Hello, welcome to technology platform. So today we are going to see like regular expressions for find all, split and substitute. So three things we can see today. Let me open idle. It's opening. Okay. First we can see like find all. So earlier session we have seen match and search. Now we can see like find all. Now here I'm just saying that my string equal to, this is Python tutorial and this is regular expression chapter, like that I'm going to mention here. Now I'm going to say like re dot find all, wherever this is present you can find it, find all. This is what the meaning here. Now see this. Okay. Oh, sorry. So import re, that we are missing here. So import re and then you can use it re dot find all. Now we have to this. So this is what, wherever it is occurrences happening, so there it will push it out. Like let's see, now I can say like a, see 3a. So tutorial and chapter, and then where it is somewhere, this is Python tutorial a, and this is rec chapter. Okay, where it is another a. So we only use it one. Okay, and so this is, we are missing this one. So 3a it is pushing out. Now I can say like numbers, like -1 -2, like that I'm just using it. Now if I say something like /d, and then I can say like my string. Now let's see. Okay, so find all, it is not. Let's use it plus symbol. Sometimes it won't work. Okay, might be the slash is different. Let's see. Use a different slash. Yeah, this slash. Yeah. So if you use this /d, wherever this -1 is and 2 is present, so the numbers, it will retrieve the digits. Wherever the digits is available, you just pull it out. This is called like find all. And second thing is like what we seen, yeah, split. So the split is like, that is very simple. So I can say like my string only, you can pick it up. So wherever space is available, I can use it underscore. I'm just splitting, right? No, sorry, this is split, right? So wherever it is using space, you can split it, just separate as a separate word, like that. Now let's see. Re dot split, and then we can say like the slash is something different here, this slash, and then I can say like my string. Now see this. This is a separate word, this is a separate word. Python tutorial, it is separated everything based on the space. For example, if you use it like uh, if it use it something like hyphen here, something here, you can split it here. Python tutorial and rec chapter, and now let's see this, how it works. I can say like hyphen. So here how it is separated, this is Python, this is separated, and tutorial and this rex is one word, and after hyphen this is chapter. So like that it will split the value. So this is called like split. And let's see last one, substitute. Substitute means sub, that is, so we are replacing some value, that is called like sub. Let's see. Now I can say like re dot sub of, wherever this is available I can use it. So I can say like and is available, that I can say like ampersand, like that I'm going to change in this my string. Now see this, and is changed here. So this is some kind of regular expressions. So we have already seen like search, match, and we also seen like split, and this one is sub and find all. So we have mostly we covered everything here. So see you some other topics in the next class. Bye.